Greetings to everybody. So we had started with writing expressions. We're going to take expressions to another level. And we're going to go ahead and evaluate expressions. Evaluate to solve. So basically this is what we're going to do. We're going to evaluate an algebraic expression. And we're going to replace the variable I don't like the way my R came out. And my pen just smudged stuff. That's okay. Replace the variable with known values and use substitution. So we're going to substitute values in for the variable. So the variable is going to go bye-bye and be replaced. So here we go. We're going to evaluate D plus 5 minus F. If D equals 1 and F equals 3. So we're going to substitute the variable with the number that's given. So D becomes 1. And we're going to put it in parentheses because we substituted. And then we have the original, which is plus 5 minus. And then we're going to substitute again for the F, which is 3. And we're going to put it in parentheses. But why do we use parentheses? Just in case there is a negative, it's already done. This is a habit we need to form whenever we substitute. So now order of operations comes into play. We're going to go left to right. So just a little thing that I have my students do is GEMDOS. G for grouping. So that could be parentheses, brackets, and braces. So GEMDOS. And we're going to go one letter at a time just to, again, we're forming habits. So are there any parentheses? Yes, there are. Are there operations inside the parentheses? No, they're just numbers. So any exponents? No. Any multiplication and division? Remember, these two have to be done together. Or is there any multiplication and division? No. And then these two have to be done together from left to right. Again, left to right. Left to right. Any addition and subtraction? Yeah, that's all we have. So we're going to go from left to right. So 1 plus 5 first. That's 6. And then minus 3. And then 6 minus 3 is 3. That's it. That's our answer. Moving on to the next one. Same thing. Oh, sorry, number two. Go in order, silly. Number 2. Evaluate 7m plus n if m equals 3 and n equals 4. We're going to substitute in. So we have 7. 7 is 7. So 7. And then we're substituting the m. Again, put it in parentheses. It's 3. The plus is plus. And then we have n, which is 4. Put it in parentheses. Don't forget, we're doing GEMDOS. Are there any groupings? Yes, there are. Are there operations inside? No, there are not. So we don't need to worry about G. Any exponents? No. Multiplication and division. Remember, it's from left to right. Is there any multiplication and division? Yes, right here. We have this multiplication. So what's 7 times 3? 21. Copy everything else. We're done with this. Addition and subtraction. Remember, it goes together from left to right. We have addition left. So what's 21 plus 4? 25. Boom. Next. Evaluate x squared minus y. Oh no, we have the squared. That's okay. So evaluate x squared minus y if x equals 3 and y equals 2. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and substitute. Remember parentheses. 3 squared Minus is minus. And then you have y equals 2. Again, put it in parentheses. Next up, GEMDAS. Any groupings? Yes. Are there operations inside? No. Exponents. We have an exponent right here. We got to do this. 3 squared. Well, this is 3 times 3, which is 9 minus 2. So exponents done. Any multiplication or division? Remember left to right. No. Any addition or subtraction? Remember that goes left to right. We have subtraction. So what's 9 minus 2? 7. Done. Ooh, this is going pretty fast, huh? All right. Let's carry on. Last one. Evaluate A, B, C. Remember, this is like divided by. So divided by 2. If A equals 4, B equals 2, and C equals, that's not clear, but this is supposed to be a negative 3. So we actually have a negative now. All right, so let's go ahead and substitute. We're going to substitute in the way we've been doing. So A is 4, put it in parentheses. B is 2. And then C is the negative 3. Oh no, we have a negative. That's okay. Don't worry. Fret not. So GEMDAS. Groupings, yes, but there is no operation inside. Exponents, no. Multiplication and division from left to right. Okay, so 4 times 2 is the first one we run into. So that's 8. And then times negative 3 divided by 2. You're going to multiply 8 times 3, which is negative 24. 8 times negative 3. And then we have divided by 2. Now we're with negative 24 over 2, or negative 24 divided by 2. Well, 24 divided by 2 is 12. And then a negative divided by a positive is negative. And that is our answer. We are done. Boom. Have fun evaluating expressions. Toodles.